Hello everyone. Today here are some motivational thoughts. I hope you will like these precious thoughts. Moreover, you can get different paragraphs, letters, inspirational stories, beautiful poems created by me and valuable thoughts by famous personalities on this channel. Now, let's get started. Make sure your worst enemy doesn't live between your two ears. It is a rough road that leads to the heights of greatness. For the great doesn't happen through impulse alone and is a succession of little things that are brought together. If we take care of moments, the years will take care of themselves. Resilience is when you address uncertainty with flexibility. Sometimes magic is just someone spending more time on something than anyone else might reasonably expect. It is not the will to win that matters. Everyone has that. It is the will to prepare to win that matters. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. True humility is not thinking less of yourself, it is thinking of yourself less. Thank you.